Cryptocurrencies and generating passive income are two of my favorite subjects to discuss. We cover them a lot on this channel, and today we're talking about how we can combine them and take your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies and put them to work for you and generate some passive crypto income. Hello and welcome to our modern money journey. Just a brief reminder that I am not a licensed professional. This is not investment advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Hello, I'm Joe with Our Modern Money Journey. Today we're going to be talking about 3 different methods that I'm personally using to generate passive crypto income. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you can see more in the future. So first we will discuss centralized lending on BlockFi. Then we will go over staking coins on Coinbase and staking Cardano on the Yori wallet. And then after that we will talk about some DeFi protocols and apps that you can use to generate some passive income. So first we'll talk about centralized lending on BlockFi. BlockFi is a financial services company backed by some of the biggest names in crypto. BlockFi allows you to earn interest on your crypto passively by depositing it in a BlockFi interest account. Earning passive income on your BlockFi interest account is not the only service that BlockFi offers. They also allow you to take out loans by using your cryptocurrency as collateral. On top of that, you can make instant low-fee trades straight to your account. So you can directly purchase your Bitcoin or Ethereum into your account and then start earning interest on it instantaneously. Now, I personally haven't used BlockFi to make any purchases or take out any cash loans, but I have been taking advantage of the BlockFi interest account. I locked up a portion of my Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as you can see here, and have been generating passive income on them. I already received my first monthly payment as well. I should stress at this point, as I always do, this is not financial advice. I'm merely letting you all know what I'm doing and letting you know about the options that are available to you. So if you're interested in signing up for BlockFi, you can use the link in the description down below, or you can just go to blockfi.com, and when you're entering your information to sign up for an account, make sure to use this code that you can see on the screen now so that you can get a special bonus by depositing some of your crypto to earn interest. Now, as another warning, if you sign up for BlockFi and are sending your cryptocurrency to your BlockFi account, please make sure that you double check the address, that your address is complete, and that you are sending the correct cryptocurrency to the correct type of address. Do not send Ethereum to a Bitcoin address or Bitcoin to a Bitcoin Cash address. It doesn't work like that. So just please make sure you have your addresses correct. So now let's move on to method number 2, which is staking. Without getting too heavy into the technicals, staking is a way of locking up your coins on the network to generate passive income in the form of more of those coins that you have locked up on the network. There are many different avenues to stake your coins, and we're just going to cover 2 here. We're going to look at a few coins on Coinbase that you can buy and start staking on there. And then we're going to talk about purchasing some of Cardano's ADA token and staking that in the Yori wallet. So several different exchanges will allow you to stake your coins with them. That means holding your coins on the exchange in your wallet with them, and they'll stake your coins for you, and then you'll receive this passive income. You can do this on exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance. Different exchanges may keep different amounts of fees for staking your coins for you, so I suggest that if you're going to do this, that you should search around and try and find the best yield that works for you. However, I'm only staking coins on Coinbase right now, so that's all I can show you guys. Currently, there are 3 different coins on Coinbase that you can stake and receive passive income on other than stable tokens or stable coins. These 3 are Algorand, Cosmos, and Tezos. We can take a look here at my Tezos wallet and see that I've been earning some passive income on it for quite a while now. I only put in about $400 approximately 6 months ago, and as you can see, my balance has grown since then. while generating passive income this entire time. If you own any coins that are available for staking on exchanges, just make sure that you have staking turned on if you are wishing to participate in staking those and receiving those passive income rewards. Now let's move on to staking Cardano's ADA token on the Yori wallet. In order to participate in staking Cardano's ADA token, you first need to purchase some, and unfortunately, it's not available on Coinbase, so you're going to have to go to a different exchange if you haven't already. It's available on Binance, Binance US, and several others. Once you've purchased your ADA, you're going to want to go over to cardano.org, go to individuals, and then select the Yori wallet. And then you're going to want to download it for whichever version you prefer. You can set up the Yori wallet as a browser extension, or you can use it on your smartphone. When setting up your Yori wallet, you're going to be given a seed phrase of words. You're going to want to write these down and keep them secret. You're never going to want to let anyone else in the world know this seed phrase. You're going to want to keep it safe and secure, because if anything ever happens to your device, this seed phrase is how you restore your wallet and regain access to your ADA that will be staked on the Yori wallet if you leave any ADA on the Yori wallet or stake it on the Yori wallet. In order to participate in staking, you're going to want to make sure that you are setting up a Shelley era wallet. The Byron era wallets do not allow for staking. Once you've set up your wallet, you're going to want to send your ADA over to your Yori wallet. I always suggest doing a test transaction when sending large amounts of cryptocurrency. Once your ADA has arrived into your wallet, you're going to want to go to either delegation list or delegation by ID and pick a stake pool to delegate your ADA to start earning staking rewards. Once you've delegated your ADA tokens, you should start receiving passive income in the form of new ADA tokens in approximately 15 to 20 days. And then you'll start receiving them every 5 days or every epoch after that. I've been staking about 10,000 ADA for a few months now, and I've absolutely been loving it. Just generating that passive income in the form of more ADA tokens that gain more value as the price appreciates. So it just compounds even more. Been loving it. Now let's talk about some DeFi. So DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a new and emerging field of finance that is being built on the blockchain, on many different blockchains. Ethereum, Cosmos, Polkadot, so many I can't even name them all. It's just blowing up to be huge. It's actually quite crazy. I've been taking the last month or two to sort of step out of my comfortable space of just owning Bitcoin and owning Ethereum and owning Cardano, and really been exploring the crypto space for you guys to be able to tell you, what are some of the opportunities that are available to you out there, because the entire world is changing. This DeFi space, this DeFi trend, offers tremendous opportunity. However, with that opportunity comes risk. A lot of these DeFi plays are risky. A lot of the DeFi plays that I've been messing around with over the last 2 months are risky. They have a considerable amount of more inherent risk than just buying Bitcoin and holding it, or just buying Ethereum and holding it. I've utilized some wallets, I've utilized some decentralized exchanges, and utilized some lending protocols. And honestly, I've got to say, I liked most of them. I liked all of them, actually. However, there was just a few little kinks and bugs along the way that lost me some money, unfortunately.
Ray, what the fuck you doing, man?
Lost all the liquor money, boys.
What?
That's the way she goes.
That's the way she goes?
That's right. That's the way she goes. That's what I said.
So you lost all our drink money is what she goes. She's gone.
That's right. It's the way she goes. Sometimes she goes, sometimes it doesn't. She didn't go. It's the way she goes.
Well, I guess we're going the fuck on then.
And I just don't think that the space is really ready for new people, which is sort of what this channel is geared towards. We're not at some expert level for advanced users. We try and keep things simple here so that anybody and everybody can at least understand what's going on. So after participating in all these DeFi experiments, we'll call them, there's two that I've come to actually really like and am still utilizing to generate passive crypto income. The first DeFi play that I'm still making that we'll talk about is Compound. Compound is a decentralized lending and borrowing protocol built on Ethereum. So there's a whole host of different ways that you can link to the Compound protocol, including a bunch of DeFi dashboard dApps, which are pretty cool and interesting. However, I suggest just going straight to compound.finance and linking your wallet directly to Compound's protocol. This just leaves out any room for any errors or miscommunications or mishaps to occur when you're interacting with multiple different layers. Just go straight to the protocol and interact with it directly. If you're using the Coinbase wallet, which is separate from Coinbase, then you can loan your crypto directly to the Compound protocol from there, as the protocol is directly integrated with the Coinbase wallet. So it's actually quite easy to use your Coinbase wallet to loan some of your crypto out on the Compound protocol and earn some passive crypto income on that. The last project we're going to talk about is DYDX, which also happens to be integrated with the Coinbase wallet and is how I've been interacting with it. DYDX is a decentralized exchange built on the Ethereum network that is geared more towards professional traders. However, since it's integrated with the Coinbase wallet, it's easy to loan them money or provide liquidity so that you can earn interest on your crypto that you have loaned to them for traders to utilize on their platform. If we take a look here at my Coinbase wallet, we can see that I've loaned them approximately $250 and been generating a little bit of passive income on that. The APY is variable and it swings wildly. I've seen it as high as like 45% and I've seen it as low as like 5%. So I know I'm not going to get rich by loaning $250 to this exchange for traders to play with. I also know there's other places that I could put my money to work and potentially make a little bit more than just 40%. However, DYDX is the largest or perhaps the only big DeFi player that doesn't have a token yet. And it is airdrop season. So there may be something in the works. I don't know. But I think it's worth interacting with the protocol to potentially be in on a DYDX token airdrop in the future. Alright, all you bulls and bears, we'll see you next time.